Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back.
What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another one. This video is going to be a little bit different than the others. It's my holiday vlog, day one, going there. I'm going to catch you when we get there. I'm going to record the footage of us getting there as well. I'm not going to talk. I'll speak to you guys once we're there. We fucking made it. The weather is banging. It's 22 degrees right now and it's 1 o'clock here. I think it's the time's 2 hours ahead in Kavos. So yeah, check this out. Look at the boys. Welcome to the apartment view. Oi! Oi! Hey, we got a better view in the toilet than from the fucking balcony, bro. Hey, look at this fucking brand new 2020 fucking plasma TV. Wait, there's bare water here. At least we got a balcony there. Look. Mad. Mad vibes. Come on. Alright. With the boys. Gonna check out the strip. We've got a fat hill to walk
all the way fucking round. What the fuck is this?
Imagine getting back up that hill when we're drunk. Fuck's sake. My man like Doogie.
We're up by the time we get there.
We'll have to bring some alcohol up there. Alright, so we're checking out the strip. Let's go down to the beach as well. Let's check the beach out. Yeah, now it's like it said 300 meters to the strip.
Look, I'm looking at it now.
Yeah, and then like 100 meters down the beach. I'm gonna go check it out. Yeah. Hey, Bartek's favorite game, boxer. Oh, where's the tractor? Tractor's gone. Oh, beer pong. What? Where's the tables at?
Well, obviously probably gone because of COVID. Oh, here's the beer pong table.
Oh yeah, here it is. I can hear prom. Mad. Let's go that way. Okay, no, it's packed, mate. It's fucking packed. Alright, should we get a donut? It's very funny how there's no fucking footpaths for like to walk on. You just walk in the middle of the street. If you get hit by a car, you get hit by a car. It is what it is.
But by the way, there's a car coming.
Oh, talking about it, devil. Hey, that looks nice. Bartek, can you wheelie that? No? Send it! Tui? Hey, that kind of looks lit. Bet that's a club. Yeah, it is. But it's closed.
Oh, wait, it must
Fuck you, COVID. Hopefully. Whee! That's cool.
Nice.
Yeah. Hey, there's football. What's that? One shot, one goal. Easy. 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 Okay. I'm gonna put it away because everybody's looking at me.
Alright.
go. All cleaned up. Sun's slowly coming down. Hit the pool. Pool was nice. All freshened up. Drippy drip. I'm not gonna record this because it's time to get messy. Basically, you already know. So I'll see what happens. Fuck it. I'll see what happens. Battery. Yo, it's the next day. I'm not taking off my glasses. No way. We had an accident. Yes. Hope you enjoyed that first vlog. It's our second day here. The first day was eventful, innit? It was eventful. So let's get on with the second day. Time to get some food. Hungry. Unicorn. Alright, back at the hotels. Toilet break, and we're gonna shoot some pool and chill. Yep, back at it again. I just let a dirty one rip, bruv. I think right now they're in quarantine. Disgusting, mate. It's day 3. I'm sorry we didn't record much last night. Stuff got messy. Alright, we need to wake up, get dressed and go eat. I'm gonna go Big Macs.
Go hard, or go home, go home, go hard, or go home, go hard, or go home, go hard, or go home. Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, or go home, go hard, or go home. Yeah, these championship rings on my hands now. In my head I'm top 10, yeah, that's hands down. You a squad, know you're looking man down. Funny how foes turn to friends now. Drive a race car like a Atari now. Call filling up, I need product again. Treat the business like a playground, might slide on you. Do me wrong, might slide on you. Do a backflip, cause I'm mad rich. I'm the definition of what that is. Go hard, or go home. 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 Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, or go home. Go hard, or go home. I'm a warrior, I go back to back, then go back to back. If I top the top, then a double back, and I'm topping that. Yeah, I beat my own records. Yeah, I gotta get
So cool. We're back. Last clip you saw was from us quad biking. That was at 6 o'clock. We dropped the quad bikes off. We got back to the room and we all passed out. We all sleepy. Yeah, we went sleepy. Like, we went ham. Like, the trails there were crazy. There was like ravines and shit. Like, one bad move and you're coming off the cliff. Like, it was mad.
We almost ended up in the ditch once.
Nah, we did.
Sorry,
That's
yeah,
my
we
fault.
did.
That's my fault. I was still getting.
It threw you to the left, bro.
Yeah, the fucking steering locked up and just went. Welcome back, guys, to our 4th day here yeah, 4th day. Oof, just came back from Big Max's, ate some food. I'm gonna get our shit ready. I'm gonna go to the pool, and we're chilling at the pool today. I'm so smashed on my head, it's unbelievable. And we got to call the transit people to come pick us up so we can go back to the airport. So peace in a bit. We're back from the pool, so I didn't get no shots of that. Don't know how I'm gonna edit this. We're kind of packed up, chilling. It's the last night here. We're gonna go out, have some fun again for the last night, and then probably chill tomorrow as well. We'll see. Nothing different than the other nights. Swim, do something fun, and then drink, and then eat and shit. So yeah, catch you later. Peace. What's happening, guys? I'm sorry I didn't record much because tonight was a heavy night. So last night here in Kavos.
Let's get.
Basically, we went to eat. Shout out Big Mac's, best food about in Kavos. If you're on Kavos main strip, go to Big Mac's. Say the Polish boys sent you. Best food ever, man. We've tried some Greek food, fucking amazing. Burnt my fucking mouth, but it's amazing. After that, hit the pool, got back, washed. I even slept for 2 hours, which is something new because we've been literally drinking every day since we got here. So that's why I haven't been recording, because I'm not taking my GoPro out on the night out because my GoPro is getting lost. We went skinny dipping, me, Damon and Jess. Shout out Jess. Shout out to Legends, Paige, Patrick. Best fucking bar about. Hit that place up. And Nikos Kebab House, I think. Banging gyros. Grab that. 6 hours of sleep. Then we talk later.
Go dummy, go beast on 'em. I go